Hey guys, what's going on? You're watching Shade Review, and in this video we are going to be reviewing the Persol 714 SM sunglasses. Now these are the Steve McQueen edition of the Persol 714 sunglasses. So Persol actually makes two different versions of these sunglasses. So the main difference between the Persol 714 and the 714 SM is the hinges in the outside temple. So the sunglasses are going to fold in right here. On the standard non-Steve McQueen versions, they're going to fold down. Now taking a look at the Persol 714, so we can see that they actually are going to fold in rather than folding down. So that's the main difference between these two sunglasses. The Steve McQueen edition is also going to say Steve McQueen here in the inside left temple of the sunglasses. Both of these sunglasses look extremely similar on face. Here's a look at what the standard version looks like. And then here is what the Steve McQueen version looks like. So the only difference is going to be the outside temple, what the hinge looks like, and of course, the actual hinge movement. They have 54mm lenses and a 21mm bridge. As far as protection goes, these sunglasses offer very good protection from the sun. They don't have big gaps to let sunlight in on the sides or up on top. They fit the face very good thanks to Persol's Melflecto stent system, which allows these sunglasses to bend out, giving a custom fit to anyone's face. These sunglasses are going to have a Persol logo here in the outside right corner of the lens. And if they're polarized, they're going to have a P after the Persol logo. And if they're photochromatic polarized, they're going to have a PHP after the Persol logo. So of course these are a folding pair of sunglasses, so the temples are going to fold in just like this, and then the bridge of the sunglasses is also going to fold in, and these sunglasses are going to compact into this very small size, which you can easily fit in your pocket. Overall, it's a fantastic pair of timeless sunglasses that I think a lot of you guys are going to like. These sunglasses cost $420 on Persol's website. You can actually pick these up on Amazon for around $250. If you guys are interested in current pricing and availability, I'm going to have a link in the description down below where you can check out the standard version of these sunglasses, which are much cheaper, or these Persol Steve McQueen sunglasses, which are going to cost about $100 more. But that's all I got for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.